Explore our curated list of the top 5 most impactful AI and machine learning projects for final year students. Starting at number 5. The predictive maintenance system uses machine learning to analyze sensor data and prevent industrial equipment failures. At number 4, we have the Neural Style Transfer application. This creative AI project transforms ordinary photos into artwork using advanced neural networks. Our number 3 project is the Smart Agriculture Assistant. This innovative solution uses computer vision and milliliter to revolutionize farming practices. The runner-up at number 2 is emotion recognition software. This advanced system interprets facial expressions through deep neural networks. And our top project is the Autonomous Drone Navigation System. This cutting-edge implementation uses reinforcement learning to achieve fully autonomous flight capabilities. Thank you for exploring these AI milliliter project ideas. May these innovations inspire your next breakthrough in artificial intelligence.